Virool is a programmatic video distribution platform. We started out catering to individuals and small businesses, we still do, with a very simple user interface where anyone could go onto our website with a credit card and a video and could distribute their content to target audiences. We've seen a lot of success from the 30,000 global paying customers we've had over the last 2.5 years, and now saw a big need from the big global agencies and their brands to harness this programmatic capability and communicate with audiences in various different markets. We can license our platform. It's a very simple to use technology that has robust data sets, has curated content from a variety of different sources. We can bring in first-party data, we can bring in private supply into that, and use our engine to identify and forecast audiences who can then amplify one's messages and drive social behavior. We see it all the time. A strategist or a planner gets a frantic call from a brand marketer and says they just created this great video. It's got a celebrity in it. It's 2 minutes and 20 seconds in length, so a little bit outside the standard format, and they demand that it go viral. And the planner is left with a couple of options. They can put it up on YouTube. They can run YouTube TrueView, which is a very popular product. But you're really leaving it up to chance to see this video go viral. So what we are is really an amplification vehicle to promote this piece of content to the right audiences and ensure that the communities that share content with these audiences, make sure that it spreads to the right types of audiences and drives some sort of outcome. We're not content creators, though we help in the creative process. We create overlays that encourage sharing. We can create call to actions that drive some sort of outcome that's important, whether it's, again, a share or an action or signing up for some sort of service or a coupon, if you will. And we have the robust second-party data on the back end to identify when you should do that within a piece of message, to whom, in what circumstances, at what frequency, and things like that. So we have a great platform that can educate marketers and provide insights and analytics on, again, how messages get distributed to the right communities. We have a really robust publisher supply chain, and we have inventory from some of the leading news sites in the world, from Forbes to the Daily Mail, to entertainment sites like Perez Hilton and Rotten Tomatoes. We procure this inventory up front and secure premium native placements. Buzzworthy is a great site that we work with, where we're able, again, to skin our player to fit the look and feel of that environment. But we also, of course, real-time bid on some of the exchange-based inventory as well. So we take an agnostic approach to how we secure that inventory, ensuring that we get the right placement for the right advertiser. So we're about 2.5 years old. Again, we started out for the individual and the small business. Over the last 2.5 years, we've amassed 30,000 global paying customers and a number of leading markets, the US, the UK, Australia. We've seen a lot of interest. Any market where video continues to be a premium channel of focus and programmatic's rise has accelerated. People seem to really enjoy our service. We've run over 70,000 campaigns to date, which has given us great scale, again, from inventory, but it gives us those chops to predict, again, how audiences share this type of content. We work with big global agencies and their trading desks and agency holding companies. We'll continue to look to license our platform to those companies so they can empower their buyers and their planners to make better use of this emerging channel. I don't know if the marketplace is necessarily shifting. The 30-second spot is the most successful ad format in the history of the world. It's not going away anytime soon. But I think now that people are embracing the capabilities of the web and content is specifically created for the web, they're starting to realize that they don't need to use repurposed TV spots for that medium. So you're seeing marketers experiment with different episodic content, branded entertainment, how-to videos. They're churning them out in droves. So a distribution vehicle like Virool can be very helpful to get those promoted in non-traditional areas. Well, we just launched in the UK a couple weeks ago, so we're beefing up our presence there. We'll continue to service our customers, again, at every level, from the individual to small business to agencies and trading desks here throughout North America. And we're eyeing an APAC launch in the first half of 2015.